Welcome to data structure course. Hello students, I am Swapnil Chaudhary. Today we are going to see the another conversion, that is algorithm to convert postfix expression into the infix form. Okay, suppose if you have the expression that is a b plus c minus, so what we are going to do, we are going to find the infix form of this expression. What we are going to do, we are going to find the infix form of this expression. So let's see the algorithm. Very simple algorithm. Here what we are going to do, we are going to scan this expression, postfix expression, the name is q, from left to right, and repeat step 2 and 3. Repeat step 2 and 3 for each character of q. Q is what? This postfix expression, until the end of expression. Okay. Now the second case is if an operand is encountered. Operand is like a, b, c, d or any constant value. If encountered, push that operand on the top of the stack. Very simple step. And the next step is if an operator is encountered. You can say if an operator is encountered. So what we are going to do? We are going to pop last two characters or last two elements from the top of the stack. Okay, so first element, whatever, if you have in a top of the stack, suppose if you have a, b, okay, on the top of the stack. So first element, so what is the first element of the top of the stack? Top is pointing to index b, index location 1. So at index location 1 we have b. So that b will be collected in a operand 2. Means we have declared two variables, operand 1 and operand 2. So what we are going to do, we are going to collect this b inside the variable operand 2, and we are decrement our top by 1 position. So now top is pointing to this location. Then what we are going to do, we are going to collect this top element in operand 1. Okay, and the most important steps is what? We are declare one more variable, that is result. In that variable what we are going to do, we are going to collect, we are going to perform this the operation is like we are going to put that operator, whatever operator is encountered, that operator in between these two operands, and put the parenthesis to that complete result. This is mandatory in infix expression only. When we are going to convert from postfix to infix or from prefix to infix, only that time we are going to put parenthesis. Otherwise we are not going to put parenthesis. And what we are going to do in the next step, we are going to push this result on the top of the stack. So this is what the algorithm to convert postfix to infix form. Okay, here we are not going to check any priorities. So what we are going to do, I am going to convert this postfix expression into infix form. Okay, now here we are going to scan from left to right. Okay, so this is what your token, this is what stack, and this is what action taken, what action we are taken. Okay, okay, now the first character is what? A, and it is operand. So what we are going to do, we are going to push that operand on the top of the stack. Okay, and what action we took? Push operand A at or on the top of stack. So this action we taken. Then what is next token? That is B. Again this is operand. So what we are going to do? We are going to push this operand. This is again operand. Okay. So what we are going to do for this operand? We are going to push that operand on the top of the stack. Same condition. Push operand B on the top of the stack. Same action. Then next token is what? See, next token is operator. What is this? Operator. Okay. So whenever operator is encountered, what we are going to do, we are going to pop last two elements from the top of the stack. So what is last two elements? B and A. Then what we are going to do, first whatever element we have at the top of the stack, that element we are going to collect in two operands. So what happened over here, in the action we collect in operand 2 is equal to B and operand 1 is equal to A. Okay, then in the result what we are going to do, put operand 1, put operator in between operand 1. So this is what your operator, the symbol of operator, okay, and operand 2. So what we are going to do here, we are going to put operator in between operand 1 and operand 2. So what we get finally, like A plus B. Okay, what we get, A plus B. And what we are going to do, A plus B, after doing performing this operation, we are going to put parenthesis to this complete result. Okay, so what happened, and push, and the next step is what, push result on the top of the stack. So whatever results come from this operation, we are going to push on the top of the stack. Okay, then what is the next token? Next token is C. So again it is operand, push that operand on the top of the stack. So this is what your stack, A plus B as it is, and this is what your C. Okay, so push operand C on the top of the stack. Okay, the next token is what, minus sign. What is that? Minus sign. So minus sign is an operator. Again we are going to use same logic. We are going to pop last two element from the top of stack. So this is first and this one is a second. This one is a second. So C is stored in operand 2. In operand 2 is equal to C, and in operand 1 what we stored, what we are going to store, opening parenthesis A plus B closing parenthesis. And then in between operand 1 and 2, what we are going to do, in result we are going to store this C. I put operator in between this two operand. So A plus B is as it is, minus, this is what, operator. Okay, and C, and finally we are going to put closing parenthesis to this complete result and push that on the top of the stack. So final what we get, A plus B minus C and closing parenthesis. And the last token is what, end of the expression. This is what, end of the expression. So whenever end of the expression encountered, what we are going to do, whenever end of the expression encountered, what we are going to do, whatever final results or whatever top element of the stack, that we are going to print finally. Okay, so this is what, the conversion of postfix expression to infix form. Very simple. Okay, now we are going to see the algorithm to convert a postfix to prefix. Okay, the algorithm to convert postfix to prefix. Again same procedure here we are going to do. Okay, we are going to scan characters from left to right. Okay, until, and repeat the step number 2 and 3 until the end of the expression. If operand is encountered, push on the top of the stack. Only difference is what, in the result. If operator is encountered, what we are going to do, we are going to pop the last two element from the top of the stack. Okay, only difference is what we are going to do, when we are going to print perform the result operation, we are just putting that operator first, then operand 1 and operand 2. Only difference is that. Okay, so let's take same example again. So Q is equal to A B plus C minus, same example. Okay, now what we are going to do here, again token and this is what your stack, and this is action taken. So first token, again we are going to scan from left to right, So what is our first token? That is A, and A is what? Operand. So what we are going to do? We are going to push that operand on the top of the stack. Okay, so here comes your A. Now I am representing array is like this. Okay, in sleeping mode. Okay. Now an action is what? Push operand on the top of the stack. Then next token is what? B. Again what we are going to do? We are going to push that operand B on the top of the stack. Okay, next token is what? Plus sign. So whenever operator is encountered, what we are going to do? We are going to pop last two elements. First element is stored in operand 2 and second element is stored in operand 1, and we are going to put this operator before operand 1 and operand 2. So what finally we get in operand 1? What we collect? Operand 2, what we are going to collect? B. In operand 1, what we are going to collect? A. And finally in result, what we are going to do? Whatever operator we have, we are going to put that operator before operand 1. So operand 1 is what? A, and operand 2 B. So this is what your final result. Push that result on the top of the stack. So here we are not going to push parenthesis. See, I already explained that we are going to put parenthesis on if and only if we are going to convert from postfix to infix or prefix to infix. Okay, so finally stack has plus A B on the top of the stack. Okay, next token is what? C. Push that push that C. Again it is operand, so push that C on the top of the stack. Next token is what? Minus sign. So what we are going to pop it? So in operand 1, operand 2, what we get? C, and in operand 1, what we get? Plus AB. Again same thing we are going to do. We are going to put operator before operand 1 and operand 2. So what is operand 1? So what is operator? Minus sign. Then operand 1 is what? Plus AB, and then operand 2, that is C. So push this result on the top of the stack. So what we will get? Minus plus ABC. So this is what your prefix expression. So what we did? We convert postfix expression in the form of prefix expression. Okay. Now next we are going to see the algorithm for prefix to infix expression. Prefix to infix expression. So what we are going to do? We are going to take this prefix expression and convert into the form of infix expression. So what is our prefix expression? So first what we are going to do? We are going to look at the algorithm. So here again we have minor changes only. In postfix to prefix and postfix to infix conversion, we are scanning expression from left to right, but in prefix to infix expression we are going to scan from right to left. Right to left. Very simple. Again operand is encountered, push on the top of the stack. Okay, and if operator is encountered, then what we are going to do? We are going to pop last two element from the top of the stack. Then in the operand 1, here we are changing the sequence. In the operand 1 we are going to collect topmost element, and then in the operand 2 second topmost element. And what we are going to do? Again same thing. We are going to put that symbol in between these two operands. Operand 1 and operand 2. So let's do it. So what is prefix expression? Minus plus ABC. Okay, so Q is equal to minus plus ABC. And here we are scanning from right to left. Okay, so let's take token. Here your stack, and this is what? Action taken. Okay, action taken. So what is first character? That is C. We are scanning from right to left, so C. Operand, push that on the top of the stack, so C will be pushed on the top of the stack. So this is what your stack. Okay, push on the top of. Then next token is what? B. Push it on the top of the stack, so C comma B. Okay, then next token is what? A. Push on the top of the stack, so C B A. Okay, Then next token is what? Plus sign. So whenever operator is encountered, what we are going to do? We are going to pop last two operand and collect first operand in the collect topmost operand in the operand 1 and collect second topmost operand in the operand 2. Okay, so let's do it. So in operand 1, what we will get? In operand 1, what we will get? A. In operand 2, what we will get? B. And what we are going to do? We are going to put that operator. What is that operator? Plus sign in between these two operands, operand 1 and operand 2, and put parenthesis. Again, here we are going to put parenthesis since we are converting prefix to infix form. Prefix to infix form. Okay. So next token is what? Minus sign. Oh, sorry. So before going for next token, we are going to push this on the top of the stack. Okay. The next token is what? Sorry. And this is what your C. Stack having already C. Okay. Now minus sign, pop again last two operands. So operand 1 contain operand 1 contains A plus B, and operand 2 will have C. Okay, and finally in result, what we are going to do? We are going to put this operator in between this operand, and finally we are going to add this. So what is the result is what? A plus B minus C, and then finally we are going to put parenthesis. So final result is what? Like this: A plus B minus C. Okay, and the next token is what? End of the expression. So if it is end of the expression occurs, what we are going to do? We are going to pop this result and print it finally. So this is what? Prefix to infix conversion. Prefix to infix conversion. Very simple. Now we are going to see next algorithm for prefix to postfix conversion. And here we made a small change. That is what we are going to do. But other thing are same. Only the thing is what change. We are going to put operator after operand 1 and operand 2. Only the change is this. So let's see example. So again the prefix expression is what? Again the prefix expression is what? The same expression. Okay. What is that expression? Minus plus ABC. Okay, Q is equal to this. Minus plus ABC. So let's take token, stack, and action taken. Okay. Now finally the first token, again scanning from right to left. First token is C, push on the top of the stack. Okay. Next token is what? B. This is again operand, push on the top of the stack. C, B. Okay. Action taken. The next token is what? A, push on the top of the stack. C, B, A. The next token is what? Plus sign. So pop last two element. So what is that last two element? A and B. So OP1 contain operand 1 contain A, operand 2 contain B, and what we are going to do in this? We are going to put operator after operand 1 and operand 2. And finally we are going to put operand. Okay, so what we get? A, B plus. So this is what we are going to store on the top of the stack. So top stack having C already. Okay, A, B plus. The next token is what? Minus sign. Again what we are going to do? We are going to do the same thing. Okay, A, B plus, then C minus. So this is what your final result. Okay, so now so today we learn first postfix to infix conversion, then postfix to infix conversion, then postfix to prefix, then prefix to infix, and prefix to postfix conversion. Thank you for watching.